Hi guys, another jigsaw for my grandson. I showed you this 3-pack, or trio as it calls it here, Bob the Builder, in a previous episode. It cost me £1 altogether, and I've done that one, which is the 60 piece. It's funny because I intended to start with the 32 piece and work up to the 60 piece, but somehow I did the 60 piece first and put it into a Ziploc bag because the bags they'd used are falling apart. So I think I'll do the one that's in the box now. Somebody's written on the back number 3 on all of these. This one's got number 2 written on the back of it, and that one, all the pieces had number 1 written on them, which is handy. So yeah, we'll do this one. This should only be 32 pieces, so it shouldn't take very long. We'll do the usual, sort out the edges. The reason I'm doing this is my grandson recently decided he liked jigsaws, so obviously I went and looked for some in charity shops and then decided I ought to make sure all the pieces were there. And the first one I did had got 2 pieces missing, but since then all the other ones that I've done have been alright. So after a bad start, we're on a good run at the moment. I think that's all the edges. So off we got. Good start, a corner, bit of writing on there. So that goes together. That looks, nope, looks like it did, but it didn't. What about that one? That does. That does. And that does. And that does. What about that? Yep, that goes there. Looks like that goes there. Nope. You can probably tell I'm not approaching this in a scientific manner. Right, now those bits look like trees, so they're going to be that way up. Fair guess. That can't, oh, that looks like the top of a house. Maybe not. Maybe I'm totally wrong. Yes, I'm totally wrong. That's the shovel. Top of the house. Okay, well, I was guessing. That's a bit of fence. Yeah, okay, so we've got the basic shape. Can't be right, that's got to be there. And that's got to be there. Okay, looks like I haven't found all the pieces yet, doesn't it? That's that piece. And that's that piece. Okay, so got to turn all these the other way up so we can see them. Okay, bit of wheel, that bit of wheel. There we go, that was quick and easy. Job done. I'll put the pieces away in one of those bags. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.